Good morning, gurus. Welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin hitting new all-time high, $117,000 just now, which is amazing. World is up 16% since we bought it yesterday. Tesla was up 4%. Ethereum came very close to $3,000. Massive gains. Big congratulations to all of you who've been watching. I always say never short Bitcoin in a bull market, and this is the reason. It went from 110,000 to 117,000 in one night. This is Bitcoin, finally. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, turn on the bell. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Again, big congratulations to all of you. Buying Bitcoin, we've been doing it for years. If you've been following these videos for 6 years, if you've been following me on X since 2009, we've been buying Ethereum. Tesla, Nvidia, World we bought yesterday, added more, and massive pump. Uni we bought. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account 851. Huge rebound on the week from 807 down to 807 to 784 to 851. So from the low, that's up 70k, and from the week it's up about 45,000. On the month, 861 to a low of 729, back to 852. So only about even on the month from the start of the month, and in the last 3 months up a lot, which is amazing. Bitcoin just shot up and hit 117,000 last night. You can see here, massive pump. We added more Bitcoin on the 4th of July. I added at 107, and the main trade activated on the 23rd of the 6th at 98k. So we're up 15% from the 23rd of the 6th. And now we're on the 11th, so about 18 days later, and we're at 116,000. And last night it shot up and hit almost 118,000, 117,896. I still remember the days before. Funding fee is gone positive on Bitcoin. My Bitcoin trade, $49,000 in the profits. We opened it 2 weeks ago. $49,000 in the profits. I paid $610 in fees to make $49,000. And you watched me open these trades in my videos. Congratulations to all of you. It's a 357,000 Bitcoin trade, 3.5 Bitcoin. I used $23,000 of margin. It cost me $610 to make $49,000 on this Bitcoin trade. Ethereum also pumped up and hit $3,000. Bitcoin hit almost 118,000, and Ethereum hit $3,000. We were buying Ethereum also on the 26th. So about 2 weeks ago, we were buying Ethereum on the 23rd. 3 weeks ago, 23rd to 7. Yeah, 2 weeks ago. 26% up from 2,100. Funding fee positive on Ethereum as well. We paid $225 in fees to make $29,000 profit. It's a 40 Ethereum trade, 92,000. Big congratulations to all of you. Yesterday, I also bought World. If you follow me on X, I added more to World yesterday, and World also had a 16% pump. I literally bought it yesterday. You can see here, we bought it yesterday. It's 10th of the 7th. And now we're up 16% in one day. Yesterday I added more. And the first buys we did, we bought on the very dip at 80 cents on 23rd of June, the same as with Bitcoin, etc. 23rd of June we bought, and it's up 25% since then. And yesterday I added more, and boom, huge congratulations to anyone that bought World with me. Amazing gains. Over on X, you can see all this, 108,000 followers. Bitcoin new all-time high, that was 1 day ago. 9,000 of you watched my video on X, and this was me in 2018. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, bear market or bull market, doesn't change the fact that for the first time in thousands of years, we can transfer money to each other with no middleman. That's the promise of Bitcoin. And someone said you still need to go to bank to go to cash. No, you don't. You can pay people in Bitcoin and USDT. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. World up 15%, Ethereum 6%, Tesla 4%. We were buying Tesla 222 in April. Total market cap up 4%, Bitcoin up 4%, Ton up 3%. We had a huge gains in the market. Remember a long time ago when I bought a lot of World, 21 hours ago? This was 22 hours ago. Bought 20k of World. It was on the support line. It was looking very bullish, stochastic turning up. And then I bought 20 more K of World 22 hours ago, and boom, up 16% in 21 hours. Bitcoin new all-time high, 117,000. Amazing gains, everyone. My Bitcoin trade is now massively in the profits. You could have not learned to walk. It was a good idea to learn to walk. It's a good idea to learn to invest. 2 weeks later, my Bitcoin trades, and 15 hours later, my Bitcoin trade was 32,000 and 23,000. 15 hours later, it's 49,000 and 29,000. Look at that, in 15 hours, Bitcoin 32,000, Ethereum 23,000, and then 15 hours later, Bitcoin is 49,000 and Ethereum 29,000. Huge congratulations to all of you, and massive new all-time high on Bitcoin, and no one talking about it, which is very good because it means we could go a lot more. And if you remember, my Bitcoin target is for this bull run for September, which is 560 days after the halving, which will be September. My target is, look, it hit my first target exactly. Look at that. It hit my resistance at 117, perfectly hitting it. That's amazing. But this bull flag, this target of this bull flag here, is 137,000. One of the resistances of my potential target was, if you remember from the inverse head and shoulders, we had an inverse head and shoulders here, shoulder, head, shoulder, and I said if we measure out the head distance, the target, and one of them was 117. This line was already here in my videos before we hit it. Look at that, it came up, touched it, and then just got a bit of a rejection of it, and that's the first target. Second big one is 137. If you haven't taken a trade now, I don't think we'll pull back below 110 or even 100. I would put it on the daily, maybe here. Try and get a trade at 100 and, oh, this is a big support now. This previous 112,000 at stop loss, 110,000, take profit 137, 28 risk to reward ratio, risking $882 to make $25,000 per Bitcoin with no leverage. 10x leverage will be 250, and you can see that this trade would activate at 112, and stop loss will be at 100. No, trade will activate 111,800, stop loss 110, risking $882. That's the trade I would take on Bitcoin. And again, massive congratulations and huge bull flag still showing on Bitcoin. Let's check out Ethereum. $3,000 on Ethereum. Broke out as we said, and it broke out of that rising triangle. Who remembers watching my rising triangle just a few days ago? It broke past the target. We had a rising triangle, builds pressure, and I had a target of 2,900, and boom, it exactly hit it. Look at that. And it went through. We went to 3,000 as one of the targets. My big resistance, yearly resistance, is at 3,300, possible take profit area. But look at that push up on this rising triangle. Played out perfectly, this pattern here. Congratulations everyone who saw that pattern, and people are celebrating like crazy in the Telegram. There's 314 of you online, people celebrating Bitcoin to the moon, people discussing, sharing trades, crypto, everyone trying to go to sleep when they're all getting super rich. Congratulations to all of you. Congratulations on these mega gains. If you've been watching my videos for 6 years, this is 1,000th time I've done this with all of you. I've made so many millionaires, which I'm very proud of. You can see he bought your course a few months back, took profits, bought a Harley Davidson. You can see some of these comments of people took your course, is amazing. I'm buying a Villa in Punta Cana, made $500,000 profits. Let's see, process of buying a $2 million house from you videos. Thank you, James. Where else we got like some crazy, I'm up 122k on my investments. You can just see people's comments and their gains. Bought a Ferrari. Scadia, following your gains from your channel. Congratulations to all of you, and again, big congratulations on our trades. Bitcoin trade pumping $49,000 in profits. Ethereum trade pumping $29,000. We opened those just 2 weeks ago and massively in the profits, which is beautiful to see. Congratulations to all of you. Over on X, join me 2 weeks later on X, and you can see all the posts that I make. Bitcoin new all-time high, and we bought 20k of Raw just yesterday, 22 hours ago, and it pumped 16%, which is great to see. And the market is looking very strong, which is amazing. That's my updates in the market, everyone. All the links to do all of this, to learn all of this, are underneath the video in the description. You can go down below. Bybit, you get a 60k bonus for trading when you meet their requirements. Main exchange I trade on. Best for liquidity, best for low fees. Weex, $200 bonus on signing up. KYC free worldwide exchange. One of the great big exchanges. It's growing fast. And jamescryptoguru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And again, big congratulations to all of you on these mega gains on Bitcoin, on Ethereum, on World from just yesterday, on Tesla. Amazing, congratulations. Let's read some of your comments. Yesterday's video on YouTube, 4 of 10. You can see we got 4 of 10. It was 3,400 views. I'll read your comment. You're a great man, Goat James. Thank you. Converted my gaming PC sale proceeds into Billium Network. I'm not sure what that is. Guru, take a look at World, please. We bought it yesterday. I wish everyone big profits. We're doing it. James, do you think there's a cup and handle formation on Ethereum daily chart? I think it's pumping. World, I added more to yesterday. Do you think will Bitcoin go down to 106? No. You should watch my videos because I always say, I show what my trades would be. Also bought WorldCoin with you. Congratulations. And many people celebrating over on X. You can see here a lot of people celebrating. That's you are the best, James. Yeah, congrats, James. None of my buy orders were hit for World, but at least I have some other entries on other amazing legends. Still waiting to break even at $2. Looks like a great day, James. James always says never short Bitcoin in a bull market. Rule number 1. Bought with you, Sir James. Amazing, up 16%. Nice buy, Grace. Love to see it. Good thing you're back into World the other day. Let's go. It's getting bullish out here. That's great. Got your point. A lot of amazing comments. Thank you for watching, everyone. Big congratulations again on Bitcoin, World, Ethereum, Ton, Uni pumping a lot as well. Tesla up massive. Nvidia, new all-time high. All the ones we were buying. Amazing, amazing gains. If you made money from me, I want you to use that money to hire social media marketers to push messages of anti-war and peace. Hire them full-time or part-time, and just their full-time job is create ChatGPT 03 anti-war messages, peace messages, and posting and marketing them on socials. Love you all. Big congratulations. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.